and welcome to our School at Home class in English, Grade 7. We are in the first quarter of our set of lessons, and I hope everybody will delight in learning today with lesson number 17. Last time, we have learned that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. They are used to represent a much larger number of sounds. In spoken English, we use around 44 sounds which vary depending on our accent. In classifying the letter symbols, there are 5 pure vowels, 19 pure consonants, and 2 semi-vowels included in the standard English alphabet. Phonetics is the study of sounds of language. These sounds are called phonemes. The 44 unique sounds help distinguish one word or meaning from another. Various letters and letter combinations, known as graphemes, are used to represent the sound. Today, we will read and enhance our pronunciation of a few critical vowel and consonant sounds, diphthongs, blends, and glide. English contains 19 vowel sounds, 5 short vowels, 6 long vowels, 3 diphthongs, 2 sounds, and 3 R-controlled vowel sounds, and 25 consonant sounds. Let's start with the vowel sound. Vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. We have 5 short vowel sounds. Also, we have 6 long vowel sounds. Examples of 5 short vowel sounds are, for short A, we have after, short E, pen, short I, it, short O, top, short U, under. For 6 long vowel sounds, we have, for long A, make, long E, beat, long I, tie, long O, coat, long U, droop. We have the R-controlled vowel sounds. An R-controlled vowel is a vowel whose sound is influenced by the R that comes before it. The 3 R-controlled vowel sounds are R, and OR. Examples for R, we have bark, dark. For we have her, bird. Or we have fork, stork. It is important that you pay close attention to the sound in words because it can be created by an R-controlled E or E. These vowels are all transformed into the same sound when an is attached to the end of them. More examples of this include better, first, and turn. Now let's have an activity. Read and identify the vowel sounds of the underlined word in the sentences. If it is a short vowel, raise 1 finger. If it is a long vowel, raise 2 fingers. If it is an R-controlled vowel, raise 3 fingers. Are you ready? Here we go. During the crisis, there are people who have distributed free groceries. What's your answer? Correct. The word free denotes long E vowel sounds. How about the next one? People come together to sing and acknowledge the frontliners. What is your answer? That's great. The word frontliners has an R-controlled vowel because of Let's try another one. Although I stay at home, still I'm not feeling well. What is your answer? Well done! The preposition at has a short vowel A sound. Now the consonant sounds are B, K, D, F, G, H, J, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, W, Y, and Z. Examples are bed, cat, kick, dog, fat, got, has, job, lid, mop, not, pan, ran, sit, to, fan, water, yellow, zipper. The letters C, Q, and X are not denoted by unique phonemes because they are found in other sounds. Now let's have the blends. Blends are formed when 2 or 3 letters combine to create a distinct consonant sound, often at the beginning of a word. In a blend, the sounds from each original letter are still heard. They are just blended quickly and smoothly together. The following are common examples of blends. Blue, clap, fly, glue, play, brown, cry, dry, fry, great, prize, tree, skate, slip, spot, street, sweet, spray, strip. Now let's have the 7 digraph sounds. A digraph is formed when 2 consonants come together to create an entirely new sound that is distinctly different from the sounds of the letters independently. These can be found anywhere in a word, but most often the beginning or end. Some examples of common digraphs are chin, ouch, ship, push, thing, this, when, ring, rink. Now let's have another exercise. Read and identify the sound of the underlined word in the sentences. If it is a consonant blend sound, raise 1 finger. If it is a consonant digraph sound, raise 2 fingers. Are you ready? Here we go. While everyone is praying during pandemic, she is busy in preparing food for them. What is your answer? Very good. The word has a consonant digraph sound because of what? What about the next one? We must offer a prayer for our frontliners. What is your answer? Good job. The word prayer has a consonant blend sound because of pr. How about the last one? Physicians are providing free online consultations through social media. What is your answer? Physicians are providing free online consultations through social media. What is your answer? Awesome! The words are in consonant blend sound because of the words providing and free. Now let's proceed to our last topic, which is diphthongs. A diphthong is essentially a digraph with vowels. It is formed when two vowels come together to create a new sound in a single syllable, as the sound of the first vowel glides into the second. These are usually found in the middle of a word. There are 8 diphthongs. These are I. This diphthong uses letters and letter combinations to form the sound similar to I. Here are some more examples. My, like, bright. Next we have A. This diphthong uses letters and letter combinations to form sounds similar to great. Other examples are bake, rain, and lay. Next we have O. This diphthong uses letters and letter combinations to form sounds similar to boat. Other examples are go, slow, and lone. Next we have ow. This diphthong uses letters and letter combinations to form sounds similar to ow. Here are other examples. Bound, house, brown. Next we have A. This diphthong uses letters and letter combinations to form sounds similar to air. Other examples are pear, care, bear. Next we have A. This diphthong uses letters and letter combinations to form sounds similar to ear. Other examples are career, near, Pierre. Another diphthong is oi. This diphthong uses letters and letter combinations to form sounds similar to oil. Other examples are boy, foil, and coin. Last but not the least, we have U. This diphthong uses letters and letter combinations to form sounds similar to cure. Other examples are pure, sure, and manure. Now let's have another activity, okay? You will read the paragraph and look for the words with diphthong sounds. You can get any paper and write those words. Are you ready? Here we go. Aidan was a member of the royal family, but he was not spoiled. He had the latest iPhone, but never showed off. Aidan was annoyed by the city noise, so he decided to escape to his house on the lake for a short vacation. Are you ready with your answers? Okay, I will show you the answer and check your own answer. Here are the answers. So the answers are Aidan, royal, spoiled, latest iPhone, Aidan again, annoyed by, noise, decided, escape, lake, vacation. You got them all correct? That's awesome. To sum up our lesson for today, we should bear in mind that a phoneme is a speech sound. It's the smallest unit of sound that distinguishes one word from another. Since sounds cannot be written, we use letters to represent or stand for the sounds. The 44 English sounds can be divided into 2 major categories, consonants and vowels. A consonant is one in which the airflow is cut off, either partially or completely, when the sound is produced. In contrast, a vowel sound is one in which the airflow is unobstructed when the sound is made. After viewing and listening to this video lesson, do not forget to do these exercises as your homeschool work for today. Goodbye. See you in the next